Hi guys. I'm trying to find a light that I don't look awful in. My hair is freaking crazy, but I'm gonna let it live. I have something here happening on my chin. It's a long story. So, long story short, I have been prepping so much for this Halloween party that I forgot to go get makeup wipes 3 times. How do you do that 3 times? I have been taking my makeup off just basically like around my eyes with coconut oil, and then I just go in and wash my face, and that's the result. Don't do it. And guys, so now, as you can see, like, look at everything back here. Everything is like totally chaotic. This is real deal right now. And I have to get in here. I have to clean everything, and I have to get everything party ready. So I have to do that, and then I have to also decorate on top of everything else of all the cleaning that I have to do. But while I do it, I will watch Hocus Pocus because I am in love with this movie, and I have been strapped to only watching it on Freeform because it's included with my package. But I hate all the little commercials and stuff. So when I went to Walmart yesterday, I found this little baby for $5. Win! So I'm about to put it on right now and start my cleaning. Oh my god, everything's a mess. Great, so the first thing you do when you get your movie is you drop it on the floor. And then you can't pick it up because you have nails. Yes. You've got it. You've got it. I need the volume up here. And it always has to be on an even number. Now my day can finally begin.
Eventually.
Hey guys, good morning. It is literally the next day. Yesterday got really crazy. I cleaned and set everything up for like 4 hours, and then I had to run to the store, run to my mom's house, and like pick up last minute stuff. So I honestly just like did not vlog, but I decided to vlog this morning, the morning of the party. It's around 10 o'clock almost. So I'm really excited because like in an hour and a half I'm gonna go see the new Michael Myers movie. But before the party started, I wanted to prep some stuff so later on it's just quick and easy. So one of the things I decided to do for like a dessert was candy apples and marshmallow dipped in chocolate. So this is what they turned out like. I have them like chilling in my fridge right now. There are all of the marshmallows there. Some are plain, some have sprinkles. Same thing with the apples. Some are just plain chocolate. Other ones have like coconut, Oreos, sprinkles, and this one is like marshmallow. But one of the things that I ran into was having enough room in my fridge to store this. So what I ended up doing was I originally had them on trays that look like this. Mines are like so burnt. So, but these can't fit into my fridge, and like hold the apples up because this thing gets in the way, so I couldn't fit it down there, and I was like, how am I gonna fit them? So I ended up just taking off, this is just wax paper. I just put the wax paper into the fridge, and then I set all the apples there, and they're fine. And now it fits, and I could have probably even fit more if I wanted to, but, yeah, so very important if you guys wanted to try this. I have a couple of tips just so that it comes out like nice and easy. So I actually, sorry, I'm like putting stuff away. I actually did not use regular sized apples. I ended up using like mini apples. And the reason why I did that is because I feel like people are probably more inclined to eat more of them if they're smaller, and they're a lot easier to make. It takes less chocolate and less dippings and stuff like that to make them, and they look cute and they can fit on the table really nice and pretty, and I don't have to worry about like really big bulky apples. So that's how I decided to do it, but you can do like regular apples if you want. So I'm gonna kind of go around and show you guys the rest of what the party looks like, but I'm not gonna do that until later because right now, since I'm kind of like prepping, the kitchen is a little bit messy. But yeah, and then I want to show you guys what everything looks like once the table is set up with all the food. And when it's a little bit darker out, because all the lights are going to be on and it's going to look a lot cooler. So I will be back and I'll show you guys also my costume and my makeup. So I had to turn the lights on during the party because it was hard to record this in the dark. But the first thing that I did was I put these floating hats on the ceiling with a clear command hook, and I attached some clear fishing line through the tops of the hats to make them look like they were floating. Next are the bats that are on the wall. They're actually 3D little plastic bats that I ordered from Amazon. So I got these candy corn napkins from Walmart along with the pumpkin plates, and the orange silverware was actually from the dollar store. The skull cup I actually got from a friend, but I'm pretty sure you could find something similar in Walmart. The syringe shots I actually picked up from Walmart. They were very affordable. They are filled with cranberry and vodka, and I just put them on a black tray that I also got from Walmart and some ice. Next is the candy apple tower. I actually have this on a clear serving platter I got from the dollar store, along with a cake platter that I had gotten from Burlington a long time ago. And I made the candy apples again with mini apples. I dipped them once in chocolate and then I let it set, and then I dipped them again in chocolate and sprinkled on the candies so that they would stick. The plastic mock sticks in the middle I had picked up from Walmart. I really wanted to put a cauldron on the table, so here's a plastic one that you could pick up from Walmart. I ended up putting a mix of chips in it. In it is the sweet and spicy chili Doritos, regular Fritos, some popcorn, what else I got in there? Potato chips, and pretzels. And after the party was over, the taste of the Doritos really put flavor into all of the other chips, so we're still enjoying it now. So there's a couple things happening on this side of the table. First, the flowers in the back. I wish I would have filmed a little bit more up so that you can see. You might be able to see in another clip, but there's actually plastic purple and black flowers with eyeballs in the middle. I got them from the dollar store, believe it or not, and I just put them in a clear vase. And this was the centerpiece for the dipped marshmallows that I had put on a Lazy Susan. All of the sticks that you see inside of the marshmallows I picked up from Walmart. On the skull tray are some like pigs in a blanket, but obviously everything on this table is vegan, so this is the vegan version. And I just cut up some of the hot dogs that we get from Lifehouse. I cut them in half and I rolled them in the crescent roll dough, and then I baked them. And I also added in a fake bloody hand. I ended up just putting it on the table because I feel like it made the table look a little creepy. The little polka dot napkins I also picked up from the dollar store, and all those other condiments are not supposed to be there. Here's a shot of the tablecloth. It almost looks like it has a sparkly factor underneath the table. That is actually from a sequin tablecloth that I actually had for my wedding. And over top of it, I just threw the black one with the spiders and the webs. Both of these I got from Amazon. For the main dish of the party, I ended up doing a vegan penne vodka sauce. I just put regular tomato sauce and then I add in some of our sour cream and it tastes like vodka sauce. On top of it, I added some Daya shredded mozzarella cheese, and I just added some things to make it look like a skull. So you'll see some olives for the eyes and some peppers for the nose and mouth. Next was the alcohol station. So for the alcohol station, I had a mixed drink, which is on to the left here. And then on the right hand side, I had all the other mixers, all of the other types of alcohol that they had to pick from. And I thought it'd be really cool to add in a little sign that says pick your poison with a little mock tea light in front of it. When the lights are off, this looks really, really cute. And it was really simple to do. I got the mini chalkboard sign from Walmart with a chalkboard marker that I borrowed from a friend. And I got the small bottles of poison from Walmart as well. Next is what I did to the bathroom. I put purple lights. They look pink here, but they're actually purple lights all around the mirror. I put a hanging hat. I put a witch broom that I got from the dollar store on the door with a command hook. And I put I Smell Children on the mirror with some orange lipstick. It was supposed to be Hocus Pocus inspired. You can see here I have the famous black flame candle. I just got the pedestal from Burlington. I got the white pillar candle from Burlington, and I just put some web on it to make it look old. One thing I didn't get in the shot was the soap dispenser that I had. It was a black cat, and I had picked it up from the dollar store. I wanted it to be the Zachary Banks of the bathroom. So here's the living room where I had a black light and some glow sticks on the table. And this is what everything looked like with the lights off and the little lights on. Hey guys, it's me. I am at my Halloween party right now, so I'm going to try to film this really quick because I tried really hard to film this Halloween party. I had no idea how hard it was going to be to throw a party, plan it, get ready, and greet the guests, so here I am. So here is my makeup and my hair. I am a Playboy bunny, so I have the ears going on, I have the bow tie, I have this corset top which I've had for years. I honestly don't even remember where I got it from. I got this little skirt at, I believe, Spirit Halloween, but again, this was like, you're talking like 4 or 5 years ago. I just literally made the costume myself. I have some stockings on, and that is it, you guys. And that is the costume. We're having fun. I added in some clips so you can kind of see how the party looked, but that is it. I gotta go. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.